Today we are exploring Oigawa Railway, which goes deep in the Oi River Valley. It's known for its scenic sights and beautiful views. We are staying in Shimada on purpose, because it takes just one train stop to get to Kanaya station, where the Oigawa Railway starts. The railway goes all the way to Ikawa Lake. The railway is divided in two parts. In Senzu you need to change trains, but due to recent typhoons some parts of the railway is still damaged and the train goes only till Ieyama station. After that you need to take a replacement bus to Senzu. We plan to go all the way to Ikawa Lake and go back with the next train to exit to the most popular train station on the line which is built just for tourism. From there we will make our way to Sumatakyo Onsen, a village surrounded by mountains. A bus from Senzu will take us there. We are starting the day early, cause we want to catch an Oigawa train. We are crossing the Oi River. We will follow this river a lot today. It's time to get on the Oigawa train. We have reached the Ieyama station. It's not clear when is the bus to Senzu coming. All we can do is to check out the surroundings and wait for it. Looks like the bus is there. And other tourists are getting on. We are the only foreign tourists here. The views are beautiful, but this is just the beginning and we are traveling deeper in the mountains. Shizuoka prefecture is known for its tea, and it can be seen everywhere. We have reached Senzu station. Senzu is a small town near the Oi River Valley. We will continue our journey with the Ikawa line train all the way to Ikawa Lake. Steam trains also operate in Oigawa Railway. Some of them borrow their looks from Thomas. We bought a 2-day pass which allows us to jump on and off the train, and the bus to Onsen, where we will stay, is also included. The conductor is giving information as we go. It doesn't help much though, as we don't speak Japanese. The windows of the trains are open and you can make good shots of everything without glass blocking anything. It's time to get off the train and see something special. Everyone is getting off, taking pictures and filming. We are very early and it's not that crowded. The next part of the railway is the steepest in Japan, reaching 9%. A special rack locomotive is attached. There is a rack system between the rails. It is the only place in Japan where the system is used. It doesn't feel like something very steep as the train is moving. But as you look back, you can see how steep this part of the railway really is. We will return later to this station. We are staying on the train to go till the last stop. Earplugs are recommended on this train, as it can be really loud, especially in some parts. We have around 1 hour to go to Ikawa Lake and see the Ikawa Dam before catching the next train. Ikawa Dam was opened in 1957, and it was the first hollow-core concrete gravity dam in Japan. There is also a boat that goes to Ikawa town from the dam, and it's for free, but we don't have time for that though. It's time to jump back in the train, as there are more views waiting for us. We have arrived at Okoi Kojo station. You can cross the Oi river here and hike to the observation point. The hike is not very long, but the view is totally worth it. The old railway remains can be seen here. It went under water after the dam was built. It's time to return to the station. We still have some time before the train comes. Apparently it's necessary to ring the happy bell. That is Japan. Even here in the mountains you have access to free Wi-Fi. After exploring the station area, the train is arriving. We have reached the steep railway part again. This time the rack locomotive is attached in the front. We're back in Senzu. It seems like this could be the bus we need to take. It's getting dark and we are going to the onsen where we are staying tonight.